Oh wow, yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I stand. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi. Choni Bashi. Okay, everyone, so today we're gonna do some Kurdish reaction, so I hope you guys are ready. Actually this is just music, so we're gonna listen to this music. It's a trap. It was requested, so I'm really excited because music is music. It doesn't matter what the music is. If I like it, I like it. So this is Kurdish. Get into it. One. Okay, so that's the name of the song. Okay, I don't know what it means, but okay. And I'm singing like I know what he's saying, okay? Okay, you got me. Okay, I'm not mad. I like it. Boom, and then it drops. You know me? Okay. Alright, so yes, it's a mood, it's a moment. And then it drops. So definitely it's a song that you can definitely like listen in your pod if you're wearing headphones. It's gonna give you that moment. For me, it's good. It just, for me, it repeats apestiti. Like, I don't know what that means, but I mean, it drops. And if it drops, it drops. So thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed my reaction. This is me letting you know the song is good, but I like Ivan is so good. But anyway, so let me know if you have another trap. I don't listen to trap, but like I'm listening for you. So more reactions on the screen. Get your life. You know the drill. It's coming for you. Bye.